Hello everybody, it's 32 Guy here from 32 Guys Tech, and today video is a bit different. So I figured that I was working on a school project and I was like, well, I might as well make it into a YouTube video as well, because I was like, well, I'm probably not going to get a YouTube video out because I got kind of behind today with this week with different things, and I haven't been able to work on a YouTube video, and I didn't want to rush it and make it look like crap. Probably won't have time to make another video for this week, but next week we will be back to technology. So I hope you enjoy this school project that I made. It's a little bit of a funny thing, just make you laugh type thing for school, just silly things that you pull out of your fridge. I mean, it starts out normal and I won't spoil it for you. So not only will you be seeing my school project, we have a new soundtrack that I just found on YouTube Audio Library that this will be the first video that it appears on, and this will be the first appearance of my brand new intro for my brand new channel. Without further ado, here's my school project, new soundtrack that I found on YouTube Audio Library, and my new intro. So, without further ado, here it is. And right before you go, this is the only bit I'm going to be talking. The rest of it's just the project and then the outro. So, thank you guys for watching, and here you go.